Meiosis occurs when gametes, or reproductive cells, divide in order to form sperm or ovum. It is different from mitosis, which somatic cells, or body cells, go through in order to divide. Meiosis converts a reproductive cell with double the amount of chromosomes, or diploid cell, into 4 cells with half as many chromosomes, or haploid. This is the start of meiosis, more specifically prophase 1 of meiosis 1. It is here that the homologous, or corresponding, pairs of chromosomes join up and form a tetrad. Next, the maternal and paternal chromosomes align themselves at the equator randomly, thanks to independent assortment. Now, you will notice that the chromosomes have crossed over each other, mixing around in order to achieve a better genetic variation and ultimately help the species survive. It is during metaphase 1 that the spindle fibers will attach themselves to the centromeres at the equator. Now, it is during anaphase 1 in which the spindle fibers will actually pull apart the homologous chromosomes towards opposite poles. And finally, it is during telophase 1 and cytokinesis 1 that the cells will either cleave apart or form a cell plate and divide, depending on if it is an animal or plant cell, and the result will be 2 very different daughter cells. This then takes us to meiosis 2. Prophase 2 will start up and the newly formed nuclear membranes will dissolve once again, and the centrioles and spindle fibers will start forming. Now, metaphase 2 will commence, and the chromosomes will once again line up at the equator, and the spindle fibers will connect to the centromeres. Now, in anaphase 2, the sister chromatids are now split up and move to opposite poles thanks to the spindle fibers. Finally, in telophase 2, the nuclear membranes are formed once again, and in cytokinesis 2, the cells are again either cleaved or a cell plate is formed depending on the type of cell. The end result will be 4 diverse gametes, and if this was spermatogenesis, 4 sperm are formed, but if it was oogenesis, 1 ovum will be formed with 3 polar bodies. The ovum can then be fertilized by the sperm and become a zygote.